103යි. තරගමාලා පුරා 188ක් රඳවාගත් ක්‍රීඩිකාව. කොහොමද ක්‍රීඩික මේ මානසික ධාරිතාවය කියන්නේ මනස කොච්චර ක්‍රීඩාවත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ පහරක් දෙකක් විසි ආකාරයෙන් නොවදින විට මානසිකව පිබිදීමක් නැති විට ඒක ශාරීරික එළියට එන්නේ නැහැ. පාරක් දෙකක් ඇයට අවශ්‍ය ආකාරයට එල්ල විය යුතුමයි. ඒකට තමයි ඇගේ සුපුරුදු ආවේනික පහරවල් කරායට යන්න පුළුවන්කම තිබෙන්නේ. 40 ම අභියස පන්දු නවතා ගත්තා. පන්දු නවතා ගැනීමක්. ලකුණු දෙකක් පහතේ.
Now this time couple of runs there for Ali. It was struck towards that fine leg region. The fine leg fielder was up inside the 25-yard circle. So it was just a matter of getting the ball away from that fielder, which she did. There we go. Just waited till that ball to come on to her, but just not enough power to get it all the way towards the boundary. Good work from the fielder. Yeah, stopped a certain boundary.
ඊළඟ පන්දුවට සූදානම්. ඒවල පන්දුවේ ලෝන් ඕන් කලාපයට එක ලකුණයි එතන තියෙන්නේ. බලමු සමහර විට මේ ක්‍රීඩිකාව. ඒ තමත් මැනවින් කඩුව රකින්න ක්‍රීඩිකාව එනවා පන්දියවන්නේගේ අන්තිමට. මොකද B1 ක්‍රීඩිකාවක් පන්දියවන්නේ. ඇයට පන්දුව ග්‍රහණය කරගන්න හැකියාවක් නැහැ. නිසා තාමත් හොඳ මේකම කණ්ඩායම හැංගීමෙන් ක්‍රීඩා කිරීම සහ තමන්ගේ ශක්තියන් සහ දුර්වලතා හොඳින් හඳුනාගෙන දුර්වලතා සහිත ස්ථානයට ශක්තිය කැඳවාගෙන යනවා. ඒ නිසා ශක්තිවන්තයින් නිතරම අවධානයෙන් පසුගිය. මේ ටීම් වර්ක් එකක් කියන්නේ තාමත් හොඳින් දකින්නට පුළුවන් මේ කණ්ඩායම ඇතුලේ.
Right, so last ball of this over. 88 for 2. Here's Lama. Final ball of this over. This might go all the way for a boundary. We'll wait for the cartwheel. Oh yes, there we go. A boundary after a long time for Pakistan. But that's a fine finish to a good over for Pakistan.
Pakistan. Tal Basnaher Palate. Tallarna කිව්සෙන් අපි මතකද උතුරු කරේ. තාත ප්‍රණීත රසවත් කෑමක්. බොහෝට හොඳ පාන වර්ග සකසා ගන්න. නමුත් ලංකාවේ බොහෝ දෙනෙක් අඩුවෙන් පරිභෝජනය කරන ආහාරයක්.
Indeed, Pakistan at the moment 9 per over will get them to 164 at the current rate. 7.67 will get them to 153. And Dinesh Opendra did mention that he made a really good point that on this surface, on these conditions, anything around 160, 170 would be an ideal score. This time onto the onside from Ali, would get a single. So they're dealing in singles, but they're getting those boundaries as well, especially on the onside, because for whatever the reason, Ali and Ashraf, they're not getting those boundaries just like they did in those previous matches. The ground conditions, maybe the mindset, maybe they feel the pressure that this is a semi-finals and just one step away from the finals. Could be any of those reasons.
එතක මේ පන්දු ග්‍රෑම් 140ක් බර වුණත් පළවෙනිලක පන්දු පෙරවතාවේ වගේම පහරක් කෙලකරන හැබැයි වර පන්දු රැකීම සඳහා ඩීප් ෆයිල් එකේ ක්‍රීඩිකාවක් රඳවා තිබෙනවා. ඕන්නේ හැම පහරක්ම හොඳින් අධ්‍යයනය කොට තමන්ගේ පන්දු පිටියේ සකසන ආකාරය දකින්න පුළුවන්. ඒත් එක්කම මම විශ්වාස කරනවා මේ ක්‍රීඩාංගණයේ අද තනකොළ කපා තිබෙන
यदि आपके आगे के बाल ज्यादा पतले हैं बजाय पीछे के बालों के, तो ये साफ संकेत है कि आपके आगे के बालों की जड़ें कमजोर हो चुकी है और आपको घबराने की जरूरत
පාතිබෙන දිශාව. ඒ ස්වයංක්‍රීය මැෂින් වලින් මේක කපන ලබන්නේ. ඒ අනුව තනකොළ මුහුණට කොයි දිහාවටද දිගා වී තිබෙන්නේ. පන්දුව පහර දෙන දෙසින් අන්න එවිට මේ පන්දුව ඉදිරියට ගමන් කරන්න ලොකු බාධාවක් නිර්මාණය වෙනවා. සමහර වෙලාවට අද අදින්ම පාකිස්තානයේදී මේ හතරේ පහරවල් දකින්නේ එයත් සමහරට බලපානවා ඇති. චතුසයිද ස්වභාවයක් තිබුණ වර්ෂාව නිසා ඒක මම විශ්වාස කරනවා කටුනායක ක්‍රීඩාංගණයට වඩා මදක් දුර ප්‍රමාණය හතරේ සීමාවේ මදක් වැඩි දෙයක්. සාහොදින් පන්දු පිටිය සකසා තිබෙනවා. පන්දු රැකීම සඳහා. හොඳම පන්දු රැකීමෙන් ඕන හතරේ සීමාවේ ස්ථානගත කරලා තියෙනවා.
This time once again onto the onside. There is this deep mid-wicket fielder. 3 fielders on the onside down in the deep. We got a long on, a deep mid-wicket and a backward squalling fielder all out there in the boundary line. And on the offside, no one in the deep on the offside. When we got 4 fielders inside the 25-yard circle. So that's a fielding setup for both the players from Nepal. A packed onside field. And once again, this time a funny struck. This might go all the way for a boundary. And she gets another boundary. Ashraf picks up yet another boundary. This time onto the onside. Remember, I told that there is this packed onside field in the deep. But still Ashraf was able to pierce that gap on the onside, right in between that mid-wicket and square-leg field. And it goes all the way for a boundary. Much needed boundaries for Pakistan. And they're inching closer to that 100-run mark.
අද අලි කලිතුති වෙන වැඩි අවස්ථාවක් අස්රෆ් ලබාදී. එතන තමයි මේ හඳුනා ගැනීම තමයි වඩා වැදගත්. මොකද පෙරදත්ත වාර්තා වැඩක් නැහැ. තවසේ තත්ත්වයට අනුව ඕන් හැඩ ගැසිය යුතුයි. ඉනිම නිර්මාණය කරන අස්රෆ්. යන පාර දීවිස් කාලේ කලාප් ඒක ලකුණයි. පන්දුවර 13ක් අවසන් දිසමකින් ලකුණු 100 වාර්තා වෙනවා පාකිස්තාන කණ්ඩායමේ පන්දුවර 13ක් නිබාරු.
Samarthanam Institute of Music and Performing Arts. We offer Bharatanatyam dance, Hindustani classical music, Carnatic classical music, and theatre arts drama. Simpa provides
හතර වාසන් රජ නිමිති නිසා විමසීමක් තිබෙනවා. පුනරුපන වලින්
That's a tight one. The confirmation from the umpire, but from this angle, it does seem there is a bit of a contact. What do you say?
පැත්තටම කියන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ රූපරාමයේ තාමත් පැහැදිලි. බලමු අනිත් පස්සේ කොහොමද පාදේ ගෑවෙනවද නැද්ද කියන එක පැහැදිලි නෑ.
We'll leave it to the umpires.
ගෑවෙනවද නැද්ද පාදේ ඒක ස්ථිරව කියන්න බෑ. බලමු දත්තර ෆෝනේ. channel I නිෂ්පාදක සම්ප්‍රදාය කණ්ඩායමට ස්තුතියි. What do you think?
Well, I didn't mention that I thought that there was a connection, but now, looking into that zoomed in angle, four. It is a four. There we go. Right, so vice judgment was correct. There was a contact.
පිට හතරේ පහර තුනක්. පිට හතරේ පහර තුනක්. අස්රෆ්. අවශ්‍යම ඉනිමේ ක්‍රියාත්මක වන ආකාරය දකින්න පුළුවන්. දලකුණු 170ක් පාකිස්තාන ලබා දේ පාරේ හම්බාගේ කරුණු විශ්වාස වෙන වෙලක පහර. ගාලේ කළා.
Tough job is umpiring. In any stage of the game, you just gotta make the decisions.
Do you suffer from acidity or bloating even though you have stopped eating fried and spicy food? And to get relief from all this,
you make the players cry, you make the fans cry. It's a tough job. One of the toughest jobs, I would say. Right, 113 on the board for Pakistan. A couple more deliveries remaining is over. 13 coming off. Damala Zoa with the three boundaries on the trot. 39 respectively for the two batters. Ali and Ashraf just putting up a good show for Pakistan in the semi-finals. And they're destined. And they're very much motivated to meet India in the finals in Nepal. Obviously, he's not going to give up as well. Got a good batting side. That'll be a while.
වීඩියෝවක් අහන්නේ අත්තර දිල්සිල්වා මැඩකින් දැන් මානසික පීඩනය පිට හතරේ පහරවල් තුනකින් බැට් හා තිබෙනවා ප්‍රහාර පීඩිකාවේ ප්‍රචලිත මෙහෙරින් කැමිනි තිබෙනවා පහර දිනුනා සහන වෙලාවට පස්සේ ඉදිරියට පහර කරලා ඉවරයි අර එක්කින් ඒ පහර නිසා පහර ඉවරලා සුළුයි
Right, so last ball of the show from Damala. It's an expensive over. Punched on the ground. So it's Dr. Delivery to finish things off in that over. 14 overs completed. Pakistan 140. Why am I going Android and seeing something else? No movement?
I think so. ඒක හරියට දෘෂ්ටි මායාවක්. මා විශ්වාස කරනවා B2 ක්‍රීඩිකාවකගේ දක්ෂපතේ වගේ කියලා.
Could be. But right throughout this tournament, there's nothing but respect for these players. They really perform, the way they move themselves into this game. There's just nothing but respect for each and every player. It's a boundary. At the end of the day, I'm not right. So that's slightly.
सवाल आपके जवाब SBI के
මිල්ලිමක් තියෙනවා අපේ පාවිච්චි පිළිබඳව නිවැරදි වීඩියෝ තාක්ෂණයක් ලබා දෙන්න කියලා බලමු කරලා. අස්රෆ් පන්දු 23ක විලකුණු 47. දෙසියට වඩා ඉහළයි ප්‍රහාර වේගය. නමුත් අද පන්දු 40යි ලකුණු 39යි.
Yeah, we talked about it. It's the standards that Herself has made out in this tournament that has struck in the minds of each and everyone. He scored a double century against Sri Lanka. Scored hefty runs, just 506 runs in the 4 innings. You cannot expect anything better than that. Now today, 39 or 40. There seems to be a slight hold up as Pakistan have requested a referral to see whether that last delivery has gone all the way for the boundary.
මම මේ තරගයේදී හතරේ ඉස්සෙල්ම අභියස පන්දු වැටේ කිහිපයක් නැවත මේ ආසන්නම අවස්ථාවේදී පහදින් පන්දු නවතාගත් අවස්ථාව ක්ලියර් පැහැදිලි.
Easiest of the decisions out of the lock for the umpire for sure. Right, so we're good to go. 125 runs on the board. There's a slight hold up to check that last boundary. But all good from the umpire side and all good from the production side as well. And we are all set to proceed. Just a couple more deliveries remaining in this over. It's an expensive one again. Pony ball.
ඉවරක් පායින්ට යන්නයි.
Lama. Only last over, given away 39 runs in 3.4 overs.
घर बैठे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाएं इंग्लिश, हिंदी और मैथ के साथ सामाजिक और भावनात्मक कुशलता।
B1 කාණ්ඩේ මේ හත්වන පන්දුවාරයක් ක්‍රියාත්මක. තවත් පන්දුවාරයක් ඉතිරි.
Pakistan must be keeping a tab on that as well. How many overs remaining to B1? This time. Another wide? No. Let's let it go all that time.
සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ලේසි කියන නොලබෙන කරනවා. පන්දු නිදන්නේ අපිට හැරියා.
Must be so satisfying to say that.
अभी वन खावा මේ හතර පන්දුවල තවත් පන්දුවල රායි බෝවිටේ පන්දුවල අප්‍රාය නමුත් අපිට B3 ක්‍රමයක් නේද ඇයට ප්‍රොෆිට් එකට පරිමාණ තුනක් කියලා කළා.
It's another wide this time as well from Lama. So runs up lining up for Pakistan. And then 37 for 2.
එය මනසින් මවා ගන්නා විකට් එකක් මේ පන්දුව. එතන මතක් මත ප්‍රමාණයක් හිමි වුණත් පන්දුව දිශාව වෙනස් වෙන දෙකකට වැඩි. පන්පතලෙන් හරි කරලා මෙහායි. බිමදී යන බෝල තිබේ. පන්දුවට පැත්තට යන්න ගත්ත යොමුවන්න ගත්ත ඒ දිහාට බෝල බලපරම ගමන් කරන සම්බන්ධතාවය වැඩි. මේ පන්දුවේ දැනට වයිට් පන්දු 6ක් ක්‍රියාත්මක කරනවා.
Ashraf, he was on two minds whether to go for that shot or not. But at the last moment, she just pulled it off. 128 for 2. Last move is over. Look at that. Quite a lot of boundaries coming in the last couple of overs. Boundaries coming in, one's coming in, and Pakistan are off to.
රාත්‍රී කැපෙල්දුයි බඳු පන්දුවාරය. සෑහෙන පන්දුවාරය. අවස්ථාවේදී කෙසේත් නිමාව 15 පන්දුවාරය. ලකුණු සටහන 128යි කඩුවයි.
सवाल आपके जवाब SBI के
Exactly what I was wanting to indicate because in the previous overs, Rajiva, they were playing from the Kota road end. The bowling was happening from the Kota road end, and now the bowling is happening from the Air Force end. So whenever Bushra Ashraf was batting, all her boundaries have come in from the Air Force end where she was batting at that end. That time, Binita Pun was not on the onside. She was fielding on the offside when Bushra Ashraf was batting like that. That's in the category of wicket, but will be fielded nicely. Good stop there by Sarita Kide. Run out! Unbelievable! Unexpected run out here. Nepal will be over the Himalayan mountain with this run out. Oh my God!
Well, totally unnecessary. I have no idea what Bushra Ashraf is trying to do. The return throw towards the... See, there's no run at all, and then she's running at it.
She's just thrown away a big start. A big start, big opportunity to get to half century. She's been the workhorse of the team. She's been the hard worker of the team. Today, she was about to get all the accolades, all the respect, all the applauses, but goes out for an unnecessary second run, gone for 48. Disappointing there for Bushra Ashraf, 131 for 3 Pakistan.
Samarth Education Program believes every child deserves a chance.
Over rates have shot up a bit. We will get the official confirmation on the over rate. What is the over rate that's going to happen as well as another single towards point.
So 153 for 5, 18 point towards 10 legal deliveries remaining. Pakistan will go up to about 170, 175. 170 will be the same score almost in the league stage game as well. But why given? So it wasn't enough for the Nepal batting lineup. They chased it down in 10 wickets in hand. The two openers.
Because of the pounds, I guess. Yeah, first ball was not the bowler's half. Yeah, you were mentioning it right, because that was the time that we were talking about as well. Even in the over rate that was being shot up. Big shot, straight towards Steve Swanag. Make that another half century for the team sensation of the SBI first ever Women's T20 Cricket World Cup of the line 2025. 50 in all the international series of US Mehreen Ali.
Well, Meher Nali gets a half century without a boundary for the very first time, and Pratt behind. He's having a very good laugh at it. The only half century without a boundary. Because there were instances against Sri Lanka, she got 45 boundaries.
My God.
So now, today, all comes in singles and twos.
I think maybe a responsible innings. I guess Frank from South Africa will agree to that. A responsible innings today from Meher Nali. I'll tell you what, there's some official confirmation coming in from the scoring team as well. That's in the gap towards mid-on. They will go through for that single. They have to start the last over now, like 1 minute ago. 1 minute ago, they have to start the last over, maybe. Yeah, that's exactly what we're trying to say.
So maybe one over shot?
Maybe one over shot. That's what it might come down to. This is the 19th over, so that's okay. So one over shot, and luckily that's not the P1 over.
Yeah.
So it's going to be P2 or a P3 over. So the penalty, even if it adds up, it's going to be only 6 runs. That's officially played again, and the P1 fielder didn't gauge it. Did not gauge it at that mid-on region. They'll come back for the second run, and they will complete it. Good running.
The two runs for Meher Nali moves to 52. The Pakistan is 160 for 5. So one over left. 7 balls remaining.
Again, Meher Nali will be looking to take a single only. Oh, good delivery. Very good delivery. They will not have Meher Nali on strike for the 20th, at least for the first ball. 19 gone, 160 for 5. And 52. And Rajiva very unhappy because the fourth column is 0 there.
Yeah. Strike rate below 100. She got 70 balls, 78 balls, 211 runs against Sri Lanka with 45 boundaries. Today, Rajiva strike rate.
I think, with Meher Nali's no boundaries, I'll give you happy news. Okay? No penalties for Nepal because they're starting off on the dot of the break over. So thankfully no penalties, thanks to the officials, thanks to the scorers for not penalizing in the semi-finals. And started the 20th over right on the clock. Single, that's all. Meher Nali needs to be on strike for Pakistan. No! Another opportunity, the throw comes in, and Amrit Tariq has been run out. Meher Nali, what are you thinking today? Why? You should have been on strike, Meher Nali. Instead of being on strike, why did you go to the bowler and try to take that second run, and Amrit Tariq has been run out? Now, this is not what they want to be thinking on the strategy lines. Yeah, it's a run out. Meher Nali.
Well, I'm really surprised. I don't understand this because Meher Nali, she should have been in strike. And then why is she trying to cross over the second run without getting herself in the strike and go for a boundary or two because she has not good boundaries so far yet and getting run out. The other person run out in fact. So Amrit Tariq passed for 9, run a ball, 9 runs for her. So Pakistan should be 161 for 6.
Yeah, and that's brought about another player into the center, a new batter. In fact, into the middle. And wide delivery. And trying to figure out. Actually, the player who's come out in Huria Malik as well. New batter.
अगर तुम भी अपनी रील वायरल करना चाहते हो और मेरे जैसे व्यूज देखना चाहते हो तो सीखो ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो तो इंस्टॉल बटन पे क्लिक करो और सीखो ऐप डाउनलोड करो और आरआरबी एसएससी और अन्य एग्जाम्स की पूरी तैयारी टेस्ट बुक के साथ
Again, a dot delivery. Right, Nepal will be very happy. Oh, Now, what do you have to say about that? Kirita Somai, the wicketkeeper with the overthrow. That brings Meher Nali back. Meher Nali stay on strike. What are you trying to do? Another comedy of errors here. And they do get 2 runs. They somehow get 2 runs and somehow Meher Nali is off strike. Why?
Well, The other day, Meher Ali was trying to get into the strike and score boundaries. Today, she's trying to avoid batting and trying to go to the non-strikers end.
Because you are accusing no boundaries. Because of you.
I have a feeling that she has lost the confidence level to get boundaries today. That's why probably she's just keeping on running in between the 22 yards. And now she's back on strike with 3 balls remaining.
I must tell you, again, Meher Ali, the star batter. Responsible innings, yes, one. And two, yeah, she needs to get boundary. At least now. Last 3 deliveries remaining. She has to go for it. Anything less than 180, Rajiva, we'll be talking about it. It's going to be easy for Nepal. Again, straight to the fielder at that fine leg region. So there is no problem as of now. Another ball being played away. Yeah, first innings, of course. Against the run of the play in the entire innings that we have seen how Meher Ali bats. Against the run of anything that she's shown us as a good batter. Today she's not scored boundaries. Yeah, I understand. And probably not say lose confidence. Probably today the power has not been there from her as she had the force in the free trade zone grounds. Today the force is lacking.
So last ball coming up. Can he get a boundary with that ball?
He's got a boundary for Rajiva. Please, for my very good friend Rajiva, please got a boundary. The idea was to go straight down the ground and it will not cross over from the inner range. He will get 2 runs. Good stop there from the B1 fielder. So 2 runs it is.
Yep, they will end up at 169 for 6 with a target setting for 170 for Nepal to chase. Similar target.
15-run shot.
Yes. Without the boundary scoring from Meher Ali, I think 20 runs at least.
20 runs at least. And I tell you what, everybody listening to our Jawahir live broadcast. Today Rajiva was not going to eat lunch. Because Meher Ali is not scored boundary.
Already had it.
He's going to skip
already had
Oh my God. But yeah, Meher, big hand for you, star player. Fabulous work in 55 that you scored.
But this is the only inning she has not got boundaries, but Navi, she has got 560 plus runs.
Totally. 560 plus 55. What is that? Good in mathematics.
561.
Yeah, thank you. My God. You've been counting all your numbers and wickets. I know that. That's what's better you in mathematics. 55 deliveries, 55 runs. That's not the Meher Ali. I think no boundaries. We will talk about that in the post-match presentation. Bushra Ashraf. Fabulous. 26 for 48. Phenomenal innings, but that run out was unnecessary.
Totally unnecessary. Apart from her runs, she was very good with the run scoring. Got 8 boundaries. Apart from her 48, Pakistan would have struggled a lot. Setting up a target of 170 runs for Nepal. Bowling, they've done a very good job. See the B1 bowlers bowling. Their 8 overs for just 76 runs, picking up a wicket apiece. And the other bowlers also bowling well, keeping things really tight with Pakistan. With the partnership coming in for the third wicket between Bushra Ashraf and 82 runs there for the third wicket. For Nepal to chase down also. It is a knockout game. You have that chasing pressure coming in. So I have a feeling that the 20 run shot as we speak now.
No doubt. I really felt 15, 20 runs, maybe more they should have got. Nepal will be happy. Nepal will be really happy that they pulled the string down. Nepal need 170 to reach